Yo, what is up, man? Welcome back to the channel. I've been gone for a minute, but I have been recording. It just some videos I couldn't edit because I locked myself out of my iPad that I edit on, and then some videos I can't post because it's music playing in them. Like we took a family trip.
Oh, Willie. Ooh. What the fuck out people neck when it's time to shoot? You do this shit.
I got parts for Pony Boy, which Pony Boy is inside of the garage right now. I got enough parts to pretty much keep some content coming with Pony Boy, so we'll talk about him another time. So right now it is the OBS time. Y'all see the motor is out of it. I'm about to clean and degrease the engine bay. I have the bed off because I'm going to upgrade the fuel pump, AN lines. Got a bunch of stuff that I done took off the truck already. I got a guy that picks up junk that I call. He's gonna come get that. Right now we're gonna get the engine bay clean. Just to let y'all know, Pops just used a wire brush, knocked some of the heavy dirt off or clumps of dirt off. Transmission, I had degreased this and sprayed it, but I'm gonna redo. I'm gonna do it one more time, or maybe 2 or 3 more times to get it clean. Then paint that. You want to knock the heavy dirt off. This is coming off. I'm taking ABS out, and I'm gonna go proportion valve. I'm gonna use that instead. Just a little stuff like that I'm gonna take off. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray it, degrease it, scrub it down, rinse it off, spray it again, do it one more time, then I'm gonna spray it, let it sit. I got a power washer at work that I'm gonna bring home to use it. See how that gets me. And then we'll get to spraying it. Front suspension, I'm ordering all new front, upper arms, lower arms, tie rod. That's why I really wasn't focused on getting this clean. I'm ordering new ones. And then we'll talk about what's going in here, man. But right now, let's get this done. Alright, man, now I got it sprayed on, more degreaser. I'm gonna let this sit overnight, hit it tomorrow. Just to give y'all a quick rundown of the plans real quick. The motor that was for Pony Boy, which is this motor, that's now going in this truck. There's a reason why I'm doing this. Trust me, Pony Boy still has a motor. The motor this motor here it's a 4.8, which is 293 cubic inch. I was going turbo. It's built for a turbo, so that means what? I might be putting a turbo on the truck. I might be putting nitrous. I don't know yet, but we'll see.
Several days later.
All right, man. So it has been a few days. The beginning of the video was recorded Sunday. A couple of days after that, stuff happens. It rained the next day. And then actually it rained pretty much all this week, like misting and all that stuff. Some of the frame got a little surface rust on it, but it's nothing. So that's why I want to go ahead and get it primed. That's what I'm about to do right now. Put the primer on it, and then depending on how much of the sun come out today, I might even go ahead and paint it black. But let's see. I did get the pressure washer. The pressure washer though. Like this right here is just something that just stuck on there. Like it's smooth, it just faded, I guess. Guess I got a little surface rust, but I'm gonna take care of that right now. I took the ABS stuff off. I'm going to the junkyard today and get a proportion valve, see if they have like a 96 blade. I can order a new one, but the only reason I want to go to the junkyard because if I get a used one, it'll come with the lines already that'll fit right into this. So that's why I want to try the junkyard. Cable, wires I'm not worried about. Just over here. I'm gonna wipe it down one good time real quick and then put the prom on it. All right, man, this is what we looking like right now. Got the engine bay spray. I was able to do the under. And I did the under on this side. I mean, I was able to get that. Hit it with the black, man, and this should be, yeah. My GoPro battery is at 14%, so I don't know if it's gonna last. All right, man, the battery ran out. I have painted the engine bay. That's what we got. Putting that. Got up under the wheel well. I haven't done over there yet. This I'm gonna have to hit again because I gotta pull these lines off and then hit it. Get back off there one more time. That's it, man. I think I'm gonna head to the junkyard now to get the brake lines. I think that's it, but that's pretty much all to do. You gotta power wash your engine bay, degrease it, power wash it again, make sure everything is clean. You might have to scrub depending on how dirty it is. And then you come through, you prime it. Once you prime it, man, you pick whatever color you're going with for your engine bay, whether it's the color of the car, the truck, or you want to go a different color, something weird, bizarre. It's up to you. It's yours. You make it yours, and then you paint it. I went with black because I just want everything to be black under here. That makes the motor pop way more, so that's what I went with. That's it, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to the video. Also follow me on Instagram. I'm out. Peace.